Looking for the perfect camping chair that balances comfort, durability, and portability? In this video, we're diving into the best camping chairs of 2025. From ultra-light backpacking options to rugged seats with built-in coolers. Whether you're heading to the beach, the mountains, or your backyard, these top picks will upgrade your outdoor lounging game. Let's jump in! Looking for the ultimate blend of comfort, portability, and rugged design? Meet the OneTigris Tiger Blade camping chair, a lightweight folding chair built for backpacking and hiking. Don't be fooled by its compact size. It supports up to 330 pounds with ease. The aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame and 600D polyester fabric provides strength and durability, while its minimalist, foldable design makes it a breeze to carry in any backpack. It's perfect for serious trekkers who need to pack light but relax right. Next up is the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Camping Chair, a name that speaks for itself. Designed for comfort and strength, this chair is built with a powder-coated steel frame and can hold up to 800 pounds. The wide seat, adjustable armrests, and padded backrest offer the kind of support you'd expect in a home recliner. Add in dual mesh cup holders, side pockets, and a shoulder carry bag, and you've got a chair that's as convenient as it is durable, ideal for long camping weekends or tailgates. The Sportneer camping chair is a solid all-rounder for any outdoor enthusiast. It's foldable, lightweight, and comes with 2 large side pockets to stash your phone, snacks, or tools. The chair includes a storage bag and is built with rugged Oxford fabric supported by a durable aluminum frame. Great for beach days, picnics, or hikes. It's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality or convenience. The LENCE portable camping chair steps it up as a 4th-generation ultralight model. Designed for minimalists, this chair weighs under 2 pounds yet supports over 250 pounds thanks to its high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The breathable seat net keeps you cool on warm days, and the entire chair folds down into a tiny carrying pouch that fits right in your backpack. It's a top pick for hikers, mountaineers, and festival goers who need gear that moves as fast as they do. Finally, for campers who like their gear fully loaded, the VEVOR camping folding chair delivers serious comfort and utility. It features a heavy-duty padded lumbar back, cup holder, cooler bag, and side storage pockets, all built into a collapsible steel frame. This chair is a game changer for fishing trips, BBQs, and family outings where comfort and accessibility are key. It's roomy, sturdy, and folds into a travel-friendly carry bag when it's time to pack up. No matter your adventure style, ultralight hiking, luxury glamping, or weekend camping, there's a perfect chair on this list for you. Ready to upgrade your campsite? Hit the links in the description and to find your match and never settle for a stiff seat again.